In primetime news this evening, Christmas cancelled, some Jamaicans not feeling festive as the cost of goods soar. 4 people arrested in fraudulent scheme targeting Sagicor. And the tourism minister tells hotel bosses to do more for their staff.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, the winter tourist season is shaping up to be one of the best in the country's history. But travel agents are having a challenge marketing brand Jamaica. I'll tell you about that in the business day.
Well, things are also shaping up in West Indies cricket. Renardo Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Renardo.
Well, Jay, the West Indies, they part ways with Jamaican Andre Kohli as head coach of the Test team at the end of the Pakistan series in January, with Darren Sammy set to take control of all the senior men's teams. And guess what? Without speed compares fixture congestion to match fixing. We'll tell you all about that and much more in Primetime Sports.
Did he say Darren Sammy the Lucian? But anyway, with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast, here is Romain.
Thanks, Janella. No, there is some shower activity that is in the forecast for tonight and tomorrow across sections of the east. We're expecting partly cloudy conditions for the afternoon tomorrow and slightly drier conditions thereafter. We're looking for generally sunny conditions as we move into about Thursday.
Good year for St. Lucia, won the 100-meter women. He's still on a high, that's fine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what additional expenditure do you plan to make this Christmas season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.